Hey guys, welcome to another episode in this series. So today I'll be showing you guys how to use the brush tool. So in this set of tools, the first tool is actually the brush tool, which we'll be picking, and the shortcut is B. You can use it for cartooning or use it to make different backgrounds or to color a particular space. So you click, and foreground color always is what is used, not the background color. The color in the foreground is what the brush uses. So you can click and pick the colors you like, and it appears immediately. So the next tool is the pencil tool. As it says, it's pencil because it's sharp with edges and you can use it. It also uses the foreground color. You can use it and reduce the size as much as you want, and it's precise. You can also increase or reduce the hardness however you would like to give you a precise. This also happens with the brush tool anyway, to give you a precise line and cut out mark. So the next tool is the color replacement tool. As shown, you just alt for the eyedropper to come out. You pick the color you would like, or you can change the foreground color yourself, whichever way you would like, and then you can just brush over the area you would love to replace with the color you've selected. And as you can see, it is completely covering the whole color out while brushing. You don't have to highlight or anything. It just directly changes the color to the foreground color. And the mixer brush tool, which is also used for in case of when you want for retouching portrait pictures. So the mixer tool, as you can see, you just click and move and it can blend, which can also convert a normal looking image into an artistic picture background, which can be used for different purposes. So it blends and mixes everything together, the backgrounds and everything, making it blurry, but it also looks really attractive when used in an artistic way. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and in case you missed the last video, a link is down in the description.